Hey buddy, first time RVers, how's everyone doing? Well, camping time is here. It is March. We are at Myrtle Beach Travel Park. There's Madison and her friend, and there's Dawn in the distance. And just beyond Dawn, you can see the sun rising. Even though we've had one trip this year already to that KOA in Yamasee, this is going to start off our official 2019 camping season. It is a little bit rainy right now, but not too bad. It's already warmer than it's been. I do have a sweatshirt on, as you can see. But here's the travel park. We are about 4 spots down that way. See that fifth reel right there? It's a Arctic Fox, which is supposed to be considered a half-ton towable. We looked into that before we picked up the F350. I tell you, man, it makes a difference having that bigger truck. It's just such a smooth ride. One finger on the steering wheel, kind of nice. We got here yesterday afternoon. It was cloudy, but 65 degrees. I think it's supposed to be about 65 and cloudy today. But I'll tell you what, 65 and cloudy is better than 40 and sunny, if you ask me. Got our coffee. Really, I'm not a big beach person. I love everything about the beach, the atmosphere, everything but the beach itself. I don't like the sand. I mean, I'll go out in the ocean a little bit, but it's the sand. Kind of just gets into everything. Whether it's in your drink or in your sandwich or blowing in your face because someone beside you is shaking off their blanket. Oh, it just drives me nuts. Probably about the funnest thing we do is we'll sit out here right on the edge, like right in this area, and dig for shark's teeth. We'll usually find 2 or 3 or 4 a day. It's kind of fun. Some lady not too long ago here in Myrtle Beach found one darn close to the size of her hand. I mean, it was huge. I'll just get here right on the water's edge here and just start digging through here. Walking along the beach and we came across this bird here who's, I don't know if he's got broken legs or what, but he's been scooting across the sand using his wings. We've been making phone calls for about 45 minutes now, and finally someone answered and they're going to send someone out to get him, so we're going to just stand by. So after talking to some ladies on the beach, they said it was a loon. And evidently that's why they're called loons, because they can't walk real well on land. But we were able to get him into a plastic container, and we're heading to an animal hospital that said they'll rehabilitate him. So we're heading that way now. All right, we're pulling in. Animal Hospital of the Grand Strand. Animal Emergency Hospital of the Strand. Get him in here. Hope you can see this, and very windy, but I'm gonna try to talk. These people literally have monkeys on the beach. Stopped by Lulu's here to have lunch. It's right on the Intercoastal Waterway in Barefoot Landing. So we've got this nice little view here of the marina. Nice $1 million boats. And then they have an outdoor area for the kids to play in. Although it's in the 60s, it's a little chilly, but Summertime they open this all up, so it's pretty fun. We've got a fried green tomato BLT. Yum yum. Gonna head out on the beach. It's cold, it's windy, and it's dark.
And I'm here. Look, and your wife is nuts.
But we're gonna do it anyways. Oh, it is a cold and a windy one out here on the beach. Woo! But it's Saturday night and we're leaving tomorrow morning, so we figured we'd stop. Nice little quarter moon there. And there you have the campground. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sunday morning here. Time change, so tonight's gonna be stay brighter later, so that's gonna be nice. Anyways, I gotta head out and get gas. I didn't get it all weekend, so I gotta go get some gas real quick before we head out for the day. Sorry for probably not the best of videos. That bird took about 3 hours of our time. We finally got him to a rescue. Thank you, Animal Hospital of the Strand in Myrtle Beach, for taking him. They said he should be all right. We'll see. Anyways, so we didn't really actually do too much. But I guess I'll end the video here. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, give us that thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can get our latest videos. And we will see you in 2 or 3 weeks. I think we're heading to Savannah. All right, bye-bye.